Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Reinstall the housing cover. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1122 filters into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.